Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to view your added friends on Facebook using the latest version of the app. Whether you're trying to keep track of new connections or simply curious about who you've recently added, this quick and updated guide will show you every step clearly. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile and activity. Once the app loads, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Tap on it. This will take you straight to your personal profile page. Next, look for the three dots just below your name and cover photo. Tap on those three dots to open a list of options. From there, find and tap on Activity Log. This section stores nearly everything you do on Facebook, from posts and comments to friend requests and reactions. After you're inside the activity log, scroll until you see the section labeled Connections. This is where all your interactions related to friends, followers, and other social activity are tracked. To the right of Connections, you'll notice a small arrow. Tap on it to expand the options. Now choose Added Friends. This will instantly bring up a list of all the people you've recently added on Facebook. You can scroll through to see every friend you've connected with, listed by the date you added them. It's a great way to see your newest connections or double-check who you've added lately. And that's it. You've successfully found your Added Friends list on Facebook. Remember, this feature can look slightly different depending on updates to the app, but the steps usually stay the same. Just open your profile, go to the three dots, tap Activity Log, then look under Connections for Added Friends. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like and share it with anyone who might need help managing their Facebook friends. Thanks for watching.